Hey, content creators! If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer amount of time and effort it takes to create professional-looking videos, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to master video creation with InVideo AI, the ultimate tool to make your video creation process super simple and efficient. First off, what is InVideo AI? It's a powerful AI-powered video creation tool designed to help you craft stunning videos in just minutes. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, InVideo AI has got your back. Now let's dive into how you can use InVideo AI for quick video creation. Once you've signed up, you'll find hundreds of ready-to-use templates that suit any niche or style. Just pick a template, and with a few clicks, customize it to fit your content. Add your text, images, and clips, and let InVideo AI do the magic. It's that simple. One of the best features of InVideo AI is the intuitive drag-and-drop interface. No more fumbling around with complicated software, and the AI automatically optimizes your video for different platforms, ensuring your content always looks its best. Next, let's talk about making your videos stand out. InVideo AI offers a plethora of features like advanced text-to-video, millions of stock media, and stunning transitions. Plus, with the built-in voiceover feature, you can add professional narration to your videos effortlessly. Here are a few tips to create engaging content effortlessly with InVideo AI. 1. Choose templates that closely match your content theme. This saves time and keeps your videos cohesive. 1. InVideo AI provides access to millions of stock images and videos. Use them to enhance your storytelling. 1. Don't be afraid to try out different transitions, text animations, and effects. You never know what might click with your audience. So if you're looking to level up your video editing game, InVideo AI is your new best friend. Give it a try and see how it transforms your content creation process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content creation tips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Happy creating. #InVideo AI, #video editing, #content creation, #a video, #video marketing, #grow your channel.